Because you're a public employee. When you get off of work, you're a public member again. You get your key back.
One of us
It don't
here.
work like that. I'll bet you Captain Chance will tell you.
What's up?
I'll bet you.
YouTube? Check it.
When
Check it. Check it. Check it.
you don't deserve to be a public member. That's why I'm going to get your job.
Community engagement.
Do you want to know how I can get his job? Because I told him what he was doing wrong.
What's he doing?
That's.
What's he doing wrong?
Sir, she has demanded to talk to you. He also wants to talk to Captain Chance.
Here's the other.
How's it going, folks? Welcome back to the First Amendment Audits channel. Thank you all for tuning in, and today I'm highlighting a particular video brought to you folks by the way of this channel here. This one is going by the name of L Dope Dog. In this video, he is conducting a First Amendment audit at a police department to redress his grievances about an incident where he was falsely arrested. You folks will soon see here that this video shows nothing more than a bunch of grown, overpaid children. The unprofessionalism with this department and its officers knows no limit and was kind of disappointing to watch. They kind of start acting really obnoxious for really no reason at all. I really wish I knew what department this was so I could tell you folks to redress your grievances as well. Let's see if we can all head over to his channel and find out. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I'll see you at the end of the video.
Wait a minute. Let me get a good picture of this here. And that's the police department. All right. Official business right here.
How can I help you?
Yeah, I need to see a Sergeant Vasquez, I think his name is.
Okay, go ahead and have a seat. I'll let him know you're here.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. I'll have a seat when I want to. And I don't want to have a seat. Oh, here we go.
What's up, Heath? Welcome back.
Again?
Yeah, welcome.
I don't feel welcome. I feel like you want to arrest me for something, like make something up and just throw me in jail.
I'm sorry that you feel that way.
Yeah, I'm hella nervous around you guys, especially that guy.
Do you got,
And this guy right here, Jay Malone.
do you got something better to do than bother these fine ladies?
We just talked really good outside.
I'm not bothering them.
You're bothering them.
No, I'm recording them.
Yeah, you're standing right in front of this lady's window.
Yeah, there's nobody in line. I'm the only person in here.
Yeah.
And I can record them.
Yeah, you can, but I mean, I was just
Yeah,
asking if
all
you
the way,
had
all the way
something
up to the
better do.
camera. You see, I could do this all day long.
Cool. Yeah. I guess,
Otherwise, you guys would arrest me, right?
I guess you can, but
Yeah, just why don't you guys just be quiet? Because I'm not here for any of you guys.
I was just asking if you had something better to do,
How about you ask me for help?
like something productive.
Ask me if I need help.
Do you need help?
Yeah,
What do you want?
I need you guys to leave me alone. Go get Vasquez. Go on.
You want to talk
You're
to
dismissed. Now go get Vasquez.
That's all right, that was-
Go get Sergeant.
I don't have to do anything.
Go get your Sergeant, Hewitt. Yeah, you fucking do. When I ask for help, you help me.
You don't like a puppy.
No, it don't work like that. You don't uphold and protect the U.S. Constitution? Is that you're telling me? You don't deserve to be a public employee, sir. Now I'm going to talk to your captain, and he's going to straighten you out. Do you know who the boss is?
Not you.
Yes, sir, it is me. The citizens of this fine Wenatchee that you serve. Me, I'm the boss.
Is there something that I can serve?
Yeah,
you?
I'm grieving against your performance, your unprofessionality.
Okay. Great. Well, then Sergeant come down and talk to you.
Okay, now you're dismissed. Go back to work.
I'm gonna stay right here.
No, that's not your job.
It's a public space. I gotta be here.
It's not your job.
I will interject.
Your only job is to uphold and defend the Constitution. And being right here is threatening me?
No, it's not.
Yes, it
I
is.
gotta be here.
No, I already told you I'm threatened.
Right here.
Now
I
get
can
out of
be
here and go get your sergeant.
You don't call the shots here, Heath.
Hey, Heath, if
You
this-
do.
if this is
You're
gonna go
above
to
the law?
complaint, can I-
Just like Vasquez? You got the keys to Wenatchee. No, each citizen has one key to this town. And when you guys come to work, you give up your key. Because you're a public employee. When you get off of work, you're a public member again. You get your key back.
One of us.
It
works
don't
here.
work like that.
Hey.
I'll bet you Captain Chance will tell you.
What's up?
I'll bet you.
YouTube? Check it.
When
Check it. Check it. Check it.
you don't deserve to be a public member. That's why I'm going to get your job.
Community engagement.
Do you want to know how I can get his job? Because I told him what he was doing wrong.
What's he doing?
That's
What's he doing wrong?
Sir, she has demanded to talk to you. He also wants to talk to Captain Chance. And I
Here's
have
the
a-
other tyrant.
or I have a-
The other tyrant. All tyrants. You're part of the Blue Line Gang. This tyrancy. That's the idea of tyrant. Like you're above the law. Like you guys. Wait a minute.
might
For the
decide.
regular citizens, is there one law, and for law enforcement, there's a separate law? Please tell me, yes or no?
Your question
Nope.
makes no sense.
That's right. There's only one law.
Again, is there something that I can help you with?
Leave me alone.
Okay, I'm in a public spot, just like you, so I'm
No,
gonna stand
you
right
can.
here.
You don't have
I
rights
got
to be
all
here.
the rights in
No,
order.
you don't have no rights, sir.
100%.
When you put that uniform on, you have duties.
I do.
Your duty is to go do your job.
I got nothing better to do
Vasquez,
than right now.
this guy's threatening me, man.
Okay, let's hear
Okay.
Let's have a seat.
Have him leave first.
Okay,
First, have him leave.
Okay, can you step over there for us,
Yeah.
please?
Thank you.
Let's go have
No,
a seat.
over there.
You don't call the shots, bro.
No, I do. I'm the citizen. I'm the one that's in charge here.
So-
I'm grieving. I
Are
want to
we-
redress your actions.
Okay.
Yours, Hewitt's.
Okay, let's talk
Okay.
about it. Let's have a seat.
First, these guys need to leave. This guy only. Only him.
Why do you need him to leave?
Because he's threatening to me. I'm fucking shaking because I'm scared, dude.
Okay.
I'm actually scared of you too, but I want to redress with you.
You guys, you can go on the other side. So, the other side.
Other side's fine, where you guys can see.
Sounds good.
Vasquez here would take me down, no problem.
Sounds
No
good.
problem. Okay, Vasquez. Now your actions when you guys arrest me.
Sitting or we standing?
I'm gonna say it.
Okay, let's do it.
So
How would you like me to
so
address you?
so you guys trespassed me from public property
How would
for
you
no
like me-
crime.
How would you like me to address you?
Look, you can't kick me out of my public property for no crime. Just because you want to, just because you don't like me over there recording you guys, guess what? I have every right. I have so many laws you guys broke. Look, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to save you guys. I want to teach you
I
guys. I'm
appreciate that.
spreading
Thank you.
awareness with my viewers and with you guys. Each
What's up,
time,
YouTube?
each
Hey, just so you guys know, we're hiring. So if you want, you can contact me.
they won't.
Come
They
down to the
won't
police
because of
department
your
and you-
actions.
and you
They
can
don't want to
ask them.
be with people like you. You guys are
And we can
tyrants.
talk about it. So
Do you
just
want-
so you know we're hiring.
Oh, just interrupt me and not even care about what I'm thinking. Go get your captain now. I want Chance.
From experience, folks, this is something you'd find in 99% of police departments. That is the extreme ignorance of the law, the pure lack of knowledge of the law, but more importantly, they could really care less when it comes to the people's needs. You won't see all of them act this quite unprofessional, but if you've gone through the process of dealing with public servants, including police, I'm sure you know they don't always have the best attitude or demeanor. The next few seconds of this clip while he's talking to this officer definitely shows a great example of that. He kind of shrugs off and ignores everything this man is saying to tell the camera that the police department is hiring. From my perspective, I think this man did an excellent job flexing his rights here. The other officers definitely could have done a lot better being a little more helpful and a lot more professional. Again, folks, let's go to his channel to find out which department this is. Let's keep watching.
You're unprofessional. Get the fuck out of here.
The captain's not here. He's at training.
Call him.
No, I'm not going to.
You know that's my First Amendment right
What's the First Amendment?
to redress grievance.
What does the First Amendment say?
I want to redress you.
What's it say?
But you don't want to listen to me, so I'm going to go through your captain. So when does he come back to work? Does he work tomorrow?
Yeah, he works tomorrow.
At what time?
He's here at 7 in the morning.
Okay.
But-
Because
but
Hewitt said he's here and he would call him out.
But the doors don't open.
He
till 9.
said Chance was here and he would bring him out here for me to meet him.
Okay, my understanding is at training, so maybe I'm misinformed.
Or maybe he's Mr.
Yeah,
Okay,
either
so
way.
tomorrow?
Yeah. you
At
can
what
come
time?
back tomorrow.
8 a.m.?
The doors open at 9 a.m., so you can come anytime after 9.
Vasquez, you guys broke numerous state laws, my civil rights, and you guys are in super deep trouble.
I hope not.
No, you guys are okay. If you want me to leave this sidewalk, I have to commit a crime first on public property.
You can
Okay,
walk
you
anywhere
guys
want
got it
on the sidewalk.
confused. Public property and private property. If I come to your house for no reason, if you tell me you don't want me there, I have to leave immediately. Or, because that's a verbal warning, if I leave and come back, or if I don't leave, then it's criminal.
Okay.
Out there in the alley, I told you, I'm not doing anything wrong. You guys say, yeah, you're not. I'm free to go.
Okay.
Now, if I'm free to go, I'm free to stay. You got to understand what that is.
Okay. Well,
Freedom
I-
of the press,
I
bro.
appreciate you
That
telling
means
me.
I get to record you guys when you guys are at work on public property. Period.
I don't have an
Period.
issue
There's
with
no stipulations to that.
I don't have an
I'm
issue with
just in publicly accessible areas. Back there, it is publicly accessible. I'll tell you why it's publicly accessible.
I'm listening.
There's no signage. There needs to be a gate or something to tell us that we're not allowed back there. See, that's my redress. I want to know why is it wrong that I was back there so I don't make the same mistake again.
Okay.
Can we be reasonable?
Okay, so How would you like?
Wait, once it comes to my rights, I am not reasonable. I will not give them up.
Okay, are you asking me a question or are you just telling
Yeah,
me?
why did I get trespassed back
Okay,
there?
so how would you like me to address you?
Yeah, what did I do wrong for you to trespass me?
How would you like me to address you?
Tell me, why did you trespass me for
Okay,
no
so I'm gonna
crime?
call you by name then. Your name.
Oh, I'm sorry. Good citizen.
Good citizen.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Okay.
Professional.
Okay. So you're
So far.
good citizen.
Yeah.
Okay. Good citizen. Unfortunately, this is a crime that is going up to the prosecutors. Correct?
It's not a crime.
Okay.
No,
hold
it's
on.
not. I didn't commit a crime.
Concerned citizen. Remember how you get upset when I interrupt you?
That's because our First Amendment
I'm-
freedom of
I'm
speech.
just
So
asking-
now, when my
I'm just
rights,
asking
when
for the
my
same
rights
thing.
are being violated,
Right.
I will freak out. I'll start cussing and shit.
Okay.
I will become
I'm-
like I don't know how to control. Like when people are doing wrong things to me,
Mm-hmm.
I don't like it. I'm a really nice guy and I'm really reasonable. You just have to explain to me what did I do wrong first before you
Okay.
trespass me.
Well, so can I finish or are you gonna interrupt me?
Go ahead.
Okay.
What did I do
So
wrong?
thank you very much. I appreciate that. So this is a matter that's going in front of the courts. Whether it's criminal or not, they're going to be able to determine.
That's
that.
not
So
reasonable.
I cannot.
You cannot
speak
arrest
on it.
me, throw me in jail, and have the prosecutor dismiss my charges later, and then what? You're gonna get in some serious fucking trouble for doing that.
Okay. Well, I'll.
You
face
and
it.
Hewitt think that you guys can do that. That's tyranny. You guys are above the law. That you
Whatever
guys are able to do
consequences
that.
come from that, I'm willing to accept.
Your job, your
Yes.
career.
I'm willing to accept.
Really,
those.
and you made a mistake of
Yeah.
arresting me for no crime, and you
Okay,
want
well,
to
the
risk
courts-
your career
The
on
courts-
that.
The courts will work it out.
Though they already decided,
Okay.
sir,
Okay.
50 years ago, is my First Amendment right to free press. You guys don't even know what you're doing.
I wasn't here 50 years ago.
Assault, because there was no reasonable articulable suspicion of a crime. You assaulted me by touching me. You have no authority to ask me questions. You can't even bother me, interrupt me. I'm conducting official First Amendment protected activity business. Back there where you trespassed me for no crime, that's what you violated. My First Amendment right to free press. Do you know what that is? You don't. So you take this camera, you take the film, and you go talk to the prosecuting attorney. You talk to your attorney, your union representative. You talk to your captain and ask him, are the things that I'm saying correct? They're going to tell you, yeah, and you stepped in some deep doggy doo-doo. Past your fucking head. You don't even know. It's not just a little bit on the bottom of your shoe. You're all the way deep into, you drowned yourself.
Okay. Well, thank you for telling me that. I appreciate it.
Now, because you don't want to take my complaint seriously, I'm going to have to disrespect you. Now, my First Amendment right to free press, First Amendment right under freedom of speech. I also have freedom of expression. Please record me.
So,
That's this. Fuck you.
are we done?
You're dismissed.
Okay. I hope you have a good day.
All right.
Okay. Do you have
Okay.
any other questions?
No.
All right. Thank you for your time and your cooperation.
You too. You're dismissed. Go back to work.
It's always fun talking with you.
All right. Goodbye.
Oh, hey,
Goodbye.
YouTube, we're hiring, so you guys know. WPD's hiring. Come down.
Yeah, if you don't like freedom, come here. If you
call
like to be
River
tyrant,
Golf,
or you want to get locked up for nothing, this is who you go to. This guy says that the Wenatchee PD is very nice, and they are not. You can see on my video.
888-4200.
Get outta
Come
here,
down and
Vasquez.
ask for an application.
I'm the boss.
So,
You're dismissed.
have a good day.
You're dismissed.
Thank you, buddy.
Bye.
You're happy.
Bye.
So,
Thank you.
I appreciate
Thank you
it.
very much.
You're welcome.
All right. You're dismissed now.
I'm going to the security area. Please
Yes,
stay.
go now.
Please stay.
No, I don't want to touch your
Thank
ass.
you. Have a good day.
Yeah, you too.
Please stay over there.
Hey, don't tell me what to do. You have no authority. I did not commit no crime. Shut up. Get back to work. You're dismissed.
Have a good day.
Get back to work. Now close the door. It's secured.
Hey,
Close the door.
please step back.
No. Close the door. It's
Thank
secured. You're not be afraid of me. You're not afraid of me. So don't tell me what to do, you punk. Little bastard. All you guys. Blue Line Gang right here, people. They don't like freedom. They hate freedom. Citizens of Wenatchee, please call in. This is Brian Hewitt, Sergeant Vasquez, and Malone, the fucking tyrant. Little bastard that only follows orders. He don't care about the Constitution, and none of these guys do. These guys are our law enforcement officers, and they can basically just fuck off. Who's this lady? I'm not sure who they're talking to. Huh? restricted area, beyond this point, beyond this door. You cannot tell me what to do.
Thank you all so much once again for tuning in. If you guys enjoyed this one, I want you all to let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Don't forget the original video and channel links will be down below in the description as well as the comment section. So don't forget to go show some support. Again, shout out to this channel here for conducting an amazing audit and flexing his God-given rights. Make sure you all head over to his channel and give him the credit and support he deserves. Today's you guys' host, Nate Skates 182, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.